Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 4 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge, right? Yeah, hit the like button, subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. Today is a rest day, but I need to get more sleep. My body's not holding up as well as I would like. That's the short story, and I want to remind you that. I read this quote the other day. It was from something. I forget where it's from, to be honest. Maybe it's a video, or maybe I read it or whatever. But I think I want you to think about this a little bit before I guess this is an easy poem, which also honest means that I don't get as many. There are people who only come when the poem is hard, which is fair enough. But in any case, I'll give a little bit of a thing, which is don't let anyone make you ashamed of your before picture, right? What does that mean? Well, I mean, the context is generally in the sense of like working out, right? You take a picture of it before, and then you presumably you have an after picture, one that is more to your goals or whatever that you want to accomplish, right? And at the end of the day, we all in making progress to some future after picture, right? So don't let anyone feel bad about where you are now. We all, everyone that's gotten anywhere has been where you are now. So anyone who is where you wanted to go is where you are now. And this is one of the reasons why I do my videos this way. People give me a lot of crap for it sometimes because I think they just want someone to spoon feed them answers or whatever. I don't know. If that worked, then you wouldn't need that many channels and videos because there's probably like one channel and that's all you need, right? But in any case, for me, I partly, obviously I do want people to learn a little bit, but also to kind of show you that like I struggle a lot too, as you can see. Some hours are ridiculously long and maybe even embarrassingly so, but that is part of the process. That is part of the grind. And how I think about it is that I just want to, be able to figure out for next time, right? Um, you know, I even kind of reflect a little bit back on my running journey, right? I mean, I'm training for another marathon, though, to be honest, I don't know why. I'm so tired all the time. But last year, right? I was on the couch. I was having some health issues. So not major ones, just to be clear. But I had to clean up, right? And I started running, yeah, maybe I'm not. And if you're just thinking about pure running, like yeah, maybe I'm still not like as fast as a lot of people I know. There are a lot of fast people in the world in general, but um, you know, people could also honestly, if you just sit back and think about it, yeah, maybe some of it's genetics, but also a lot of it is just they ran before in their life where I've never ran, right? At least not long distance. I mean, like I play sports, etc., but like I didn't have a running background in terms of longer distance, right? Longer than like baseball uh, diamond shaped or whatever length, right? So in any case, so yeah, do I like maybe it's an arrogant thing to think about, right? But like, who am I to say that I should be faster than people who've been running for like 10 years, right? Yeah, and of course, and it's the same way with these Leetcode and computer programming. It's just that it is harder to see, right? Or maybe not as transparent anyway. But maybe it is. Honestly, to a degree, it is, right? You look at the GMs and whatever on Code Forces or whatever, and yeah, maybe they don't have all their records on the same place, but you see them like day in day out, like the same people. They've done you know they've done thousands of problems even just on that platform, and they've done thousands of problems before they got on that platform. I mean, if you don't think I mean, they probably honestly train less, but for obvious reasons. But people just have lives. But can you really say that? Just imagine this: how hard they try when they quote unquote don't care versus say 10 years ago when they were trying to get good, right? So everyone is where you are, or been where you've been, or where you are, or whatever. English is hard, or maybe I got spent 10 years in English. But anyway, right? And that's why my videos are the way it is. Like I said, sometimes you see me like make a silly mistakes, and it takes like an hour. Like even the what's it, the bi-weekly week 4, or bi-weekly Q4. I spent like 2 hours, and I just couldn't figure out, and I needed a little bit of help. And then it just seemed impossible to me. And then I came back from actually another run, and then I just kind of like, oh wait, no, you could, visualization ideas. I just think about this another way, and then bam, it was like 4 lines of code, less than 5 minutes of typing. Not even really, just 4 lines of code. Right? How can it take 5 minutes? Like maybe, and that's it, right? Sometimes life be that way. It's okay. Don't be so hard on yourself. Focus on who you want to be, and yeah, and who you're now is just work in progress. That said, of course, I mean it goes with the other things that we've said in the past, which is what is it called? Input goals, not output goals, right? That's how I've been saying it, because I know that people say like process goals versus I forget the other one, but I say input goals versus output goals, because like an output goal is I want to be rated 2600 on Leetcode, right? That's an output goal. Can you have control of it? Sure. It depends on your input, but a lot of things, some people get faster. Some people get deeper, slower, right? For example, like for me, well, my point there is just that you focus on having goals that you can control, right? Like doing X problems a week or whatever, right? And also people just have different strengths and weaknesses, right? Like some people may be able to get to say rating 2000 very quickly, but then stall because they just never learned to struggle at a higher level before, right? And then some people may just have a slower but steady grind, because everything is a grind. They know how to work hard and stuff. So I don't know. These things, they're all kind of funky. Anyway, this has been a very long intro. So let's get started at today's problem 3516. Find closest person. It is an easy problem, and today is a rest day for me, so I'll try to do a bonus problem after this. Stay tuned. Okay, so we have 300 x, y, and z represent the 3 people in the number line, x, y, and z, who does not move. Both person 1 and 2 same speed. Determine. Okay, so I mean this seems pretty straightforward, right? Yeah, they have the same speed, so it's just whoever's closer, literally. Yeah, I don't know. But I guess it's just about unless I'm really confused. Oops. Well, I am confused clearly. So, okay, well, yeah. So let's just say d is equal to minus what's it y minus z, right? And then that's it, right? If d is greater than 0, then x or y is first, right? So then y is first is return 2. Also, if d is less than 0, we'll return 1, I guess, and then just return 0. They both arrive at the same time. Hopefully this is right. I don't know. I wonder how long I took the last time I did this, because this is kind of a silly one relatively. And I hope that I don't even remember this farm, to be honest. I'm curious what. I mean, I guess I generally don't, but I guess this is the same thing. DX3. Oh, okay. I mean, this is actually slightly cleaner than the way that I did it, to be honest, today. I mean, this is all one, whatever, right? Anyway, hope y'all have it's turning Thursday, so hope y'all have a great rest of the week. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.